Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. If you are new here, I create beauty videos, hair videos, lifestyle videos. So if any of those things interest you, definitely consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button right there in the corner for me. Also hit the notification bell if you want to see any future uploads. So I'm not gonna hold y'all long. Today we are going to be doing some fall lip colors. I don't know when fall gonna officially hit, y'all, but here in South Carolina it's like 80 degrees today. So I'm just trying to play up some fall vibes, get in the spirit, do what I can. But if you want to see these fall lip videos, definitely stay tuned. Okay guys, so we're going to start out by moisturizing our lips. As you know, the weather is getting chillier and we are not trying to have chapped lips, so I always use Blick-Stix to moisturize my lips. So for the first lip combo, you guys, I wanted to do something for my lip gloss girls who are not lip stain people. I'm pairing this Juvia's Place liner in Scorpio, and I'm placing that, and I'm going to be pairing that with the Juvia's Place gloss, and it's electric. And you can literally find any burgundy liner and you pair it with your favorite gloss, and girl, you have like a fall look. You can also do like a plum liner. Next, we are going to be using a brown liner. You can use any brown liner, but I'm using the Nicka K liner in coffee, and I'm going to be pairing that with this Revlon lipstick and Nude Furry. Alright, so next we are going into the red family, you guys. I'm going to be using this Nicka K True Matte lip stick lip stain, and this is in Shiraz. This is in Shiraz, you guys, and I'm going to be lining my lips with that Scorpio liner just to give it some vampiness. Moving into the berry shades, I'm going to be using this Revlon lipstick and blushing berry, you guys. So next I'm going to be using the Ruby Kisses Forever Matte lipstick, and this is Bare Berries. You guys, this lipstick is super cute. So the last shade in our berry family, I'm going to be using the Nicka K Wine Berry. This is a true matte shade, and y'all, this is just so pretty for the fall. This is just giving fall. Now we are moving into the brown family. This is giving a little bit more fall vibes, you guys. I'm going to be using this Nicka K matte lipstick and Cocoa Bean, and you guys, this is super pretty. This is like a warm tone brown. Alright guys, so you already know what this is. This is like a fall favorite right now for me. I've worn this lipstick so many times. This is the Juvia's Place lipstick in Cocoa, y'all. If you have not even gotten your hands on this, please. This is like perfect for fall. Alright y'all, so this next shade is more so in the burgundy family. This is Revlon's Black Cherry lipstick, and this is perfect for any skin tone. Like, the girl is that girl. Moving into the purple plum family, I'm going to be using an oldie. This is the MAC lipstick in smoked purple. This is super old, but this is one of those lipsticks. It's kind of like one of the goats, okay? This is something that is truly vampy if you want to go there, girl. Alright y'all, so the last lip product of this video, we are going in with one of my personal favorites. I got this, I believe it was last year. This is CoverGirl's Never Say Never matte lipstick, and y'all, she is giving vampy vibes that I love, y'all. So yeah. Alright you guys, so that concludes our lip color video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know which lip product was your favorite in the comments section. As always, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and I will see y'all in my next video.